Hi guys, my name is Madeline.
My name is Arisha and we're with Bay County Extension Office. Today we'll learn about how to cook things in the microwave. Microwave cooking is just the same as regular cooking.
First, we need to put on our apron, tie our hair back, and then wash our hands. Okay, the products that you see in today's video
are not promoted by UF IFAS. They are strictly used for food demonstration purposes.
So today we are going to be making an octopus hot dog and just a normal hot dog in the microwave.
Right, so what you want to do is make sure that you have a cutting board, have your hot dogs out, and then have a knife. If you are below age where you shouldn't be using a knife by yourself, you can use a butter knife or something that will cut it easily. So to make the octopus,
to do this, you're going to want to cut a little bit above halfway and slice down the middle all the way through just like this. And once you have your two sides like that, you're going to want to rotate it to 90 degrees and cut up just around the same length all the way through. So now you have 4 legs, and as we know, octopus have 8. So what we're going to want to do is take our individual legs and cut these in half as well. So if you are not comfortable with working with knives, you can also use a butter knife to cut your hot dog octopus legs. And your other 2. Right. And the smell is really good for younger children because it helps with preventing choking. So once you're ready for your microwave, you're gonna want to set your hot dog up, spread out its little legs. So now we're gonna cover it and then take it over to the microwave, and we'll be putting it in for about 30 seconds to a minute. Oh, and this is our finished product after taking it out for 30 seconds. So if you don't want to do the octopus style, but you still want a hot dog in the microwave, you can still put one in. You'll just want to slice it down just like this. You don't have to go all the way through, and that just allows for the pressure of the hot dog to release so it doesn't pop and explode in the microwave. And just like the octopus, you're going to cover it before you microwave it.
And then just a little bit of ketchup or mustard.
yes, to go on the
It's a
side.
perfect little snack.